Good morning, my lovely students. How are you? Hope you're doing well. The objective of today's video is to review the grammar lesson, prepositions and prepositional phrases. The spelling lesson, final syllables, ER, AR, OR. The comprehension skill, compare and contrast. Part 1. Grammar, prepositions and prepositional phrases. As discussed previously, a prepositional phrase starts with a preposition and ends with an object of preposition. Let's make a quick revision about the rules of this lesson. Number 1. A preposition comes after a noun or a pronoun and relates that noun or pronoun to another word in the sentence. Number 2. The object of preposition is the noun or pronoun that comes after the preposition. Number 3. The preposition and the object of preposition form a prepositional phrase. Prepositions show time, place, location, and direction. Example: in, on, with, before, after, under, beneath, behind, over, to, from, between. Let's discuss these three sentences together and find the prepositional phrases, prepositions, and object of prepositions. Number 1. I will finish my job after 2 days. As you can see, I underlined the prepositional phrase after 2 days. The prepositional phrase started with a preposition, which is after. I circled it. The object of preposition is days, since it's the noun in the sentence or in the prepositional phrase. Number 2. My English book is under the desk. Under the desk is the prepositional phrase, since it started with the preposition under. The object of preposition in this prepositional phrase is desk, since it's the noun. Number 3. She will travel from Turkey to Lebanon. You have two prepositional phrases in this sentence. From Turkey is the first prepositional phrase. It started with the preposition from, and Turkey is the object of preposition since it's the noun. The second prepositional phrase is to Lebanon. To is the preposition. Lebanon is the object of preposition since it's the noun. Part 2. Spelling, final syllables, ER, AR, OR. Words that end with the final syllables ER, AR, or OR form one sound only, which is Let's read the examples together. Danger, eager, glimmer, censor, caterpillar, eraser, linger, tractor, helicopter, rumor. Exercise. Choose the correct word in parentheses to complete each sentence. I'm going to read the sentences and I want you please to try to solve them, and you will have the correction in the next slide. Number 1. He is not safe. He is in danger or rumor. Number 2. The farmer is on the sensor or tractor in his field. Number 3. The eraser or caterpillar grows up to be a butterfly. Number 4. After a long day, you should linger or glimmer at home. Number 5. I was very eager or pillar to know what will happen later in the story. Number 6. This t-shirt costs $25 dollars or solar? Number 7. I keep my books in the school wander or locker? This is the correction of the previous exercise. Number 1. He is not safe. He is in danger. Number 2. The farmer is on the tractor in his field. Number 3. The caterpillar grows up to be a butterfly. Number 4. After a long day, you should linger at home. You should relax. Number 5. I was very eager to know what will happen later in the story. I was very excited. Number 6. This t-shirt costs $25. Number 7. I keep my books in the school locker. Part 3. Comprehension skill. Compare and contrast. Do you remember what did we compare and contrast last week? The two trees, a tree in summer and a tree in winter. Let's make a quick revision. When we compare, we tell how things are alike or the same. You can use some clue words when you compare, like also, both, to, like, similar. When we contrast, we tell how things are different. Some clue words that you can use while you contrast are although, however, unlike, but, difference. I told you before that when you want to write about something, you should organize your ideas before you start. A Venn diagram is used to organize the ideas before you start comparing and contrasting. A Venn diagram is composed of two circles as seen in front of you. The middle part of the circles is to compare or to write the similarities of the two things you're comparing. The other two sides is to write the differences of the two things you're comparing and contrasting. So you write the differences. Your homework for Tuesday, April 14th, 2020 is to open your notebooks on page 109. You have a chart that talks about lake and ocean. I want you to change this chart into a Venn diagram. Then use the information to develop a compare and contrast paragraph. Don't forget to use clue words that are mentioned in the previous slides. On your writing copybooks, I want you please to draw a Venn diagram and then develop the information into a well-organized compare and contrast paragraph. Don't forget to indent before starting your paragraph, and your paragraph should include a topic sentence, supporting details, and a concluding sentence. Thank you and have a good day.